had to stop that last video because got to put airplane mode on. Here's me going to try and get in this aircraft now. Forgive me.
Very good. So find your seatbelt, please. Okay, and you want to come across to the far right-hand side for me, please.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Okay.
Sorry.
That's right. So you've watched the video inside. Now I just need to confirm with you on the... Oh, you're right. Can I just move your seat a little bit?
Okay.
Yeah. Lovely. And then just pull downwards. Sorry. There we go. Fantastic. So in the plane we have two exits, one on beside you by your right hand door and one here, okay? So if we need to exit, we rotate that handle, so stop, and we push outwards on the doors, okay? Now our life jackets are located in the seat pockets in front. We need them, as well as a safety briefing card with information about the seat belts, life jackets and emergency procedures. Okay, now the headset, so we've got a headset up on the right and left, and then man behind you is your headset as well. Good, all sorted there, John?
Oh yeah, sorry, had to extend the seatbelt. Oh.
So yeah, if you want to put them on, yeah, that'd be great. Oh, sorry, I'll just grab this. Does it work? Okay, I'll get us underway.